Nagbalik mga idol si GR Kenyahan para sa team ng Cebu. Pero the man, Vic Manuel, mama pa rin siya din. Makabounce back na kaya ang team ng Cebu mga idol? Or ipakita pa rin ng Pangasinan na isa sila sa mga top teams sa North Division? Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang 4 game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Greats versus Pangasinan Heatwaves. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Definitely needs this victory to secure a spot in the plane. They cannot afford below them a chance to get in, and that's Davao.
They're back in the mix on Davao if that happens. Boom Boom Campos with a jumper, he nails it. Cebu opening.
Their energy, alam naman natin kung gaano katindi ang nabibigay ni Boom Boom Campos on both sides of the basketball.
Livog Sang with a three. They came to play.
They
being let go at the start of the season. Galanza nails the three.
well, when we talk,
Here's Montanilla. Bulyado to Napoles. Nice fake from Jore. Lumapit si Jore. He will get the roll.
I like how he didn't settle.
Out of time on the shot clock. Napoles has the advantage here and he puts it in.
Ayan yung sinasabi ko kanina. He opted to go.
Ogsang with the rebound. Talio is ahead. And Talio will lay it in.
That's surely gonna come in. It's so special, I'm sure, para sa kanila. Almost all of them, itong mga Cebuanos playing for Cebu. I'm sure it's very...
Sabo, what a matchup. Kinyahan, the slowest up fake. It works though. Hamon. No, isa pa. Jan Hamon. Still no good. And JR Kinyahan. Those are two wide bodies there in Beichong.
Yung in Kinyahan.
Beichong again gets the basket plus the foul.
Really very energetic to begin this game.
Tied at 13. Melencio to Bulan Nadi. Yes.
That's a...
Gabo ahead to Bulan Nadi for two.
What a no-look pass.
Run here for Pangasinan. 18 to 13 ang kanilang lamang. Hamon will fire. Masyado malakas. Kinyan is there but he misses the point.
On the floor, and also there's a pressure for them to also maintain such good images because a lot of young kids, they...
Flores saves it only to Manzo. Here's June Manzo. Yes.
leaning in and
Gusto ko yung push shot man kay June Manzo.
master niya na yan eh. Just like how Alin Bulan foul on JP Maguliano instead of Dolan and Lawan.
Oh no. Bevin to lead all scorers.
And if he continues to play this way, bad news for the rest of the league as well. But this is good.
Against Milencio, June Manzo cannot get the roll. Adlawan is fouled. He puts it in plus the foul.
Cebu a few weeks ago, na-meet ko yung kanyang mas batang kapatid, and he told me how Dolan really enjoys having the opportunity to play. Do you draw inspiration from that?
Yeah, I think so. While sipping a Coke. Melencio swings it over to Galanza. Di Gregorio challenged by Meneses, but he passes it off to the wrong guy. It's a gift. Ubalde inside to Ogsang. Reeve Ogsang for two. He's got 8 in the ball game. Meneses ahead to Manuel. And Vic Manuel for two.
Well, suddenly Adlawan and Mark Meneses, both of them.
Ubalde will launch the three and hit. A big back the other way. Mike Di Gregorio. Less than a minute remaining. The pass to Napoles. Jore out to Vic Manuel. Manuel atake. The one-hander works para kay Vic Manuel. Ubalde. Good look. No.
That
Ikaw
statement.
talaga, Mika Bisamis, marunong ka. You know. It's Mr. Gerson Cabiltes, a champion coach. He is a proven winner here in the MPBL.
Uh-huh.
And from where he stood last season to now, I think is
These kinds of stories and statements from our players and coaches.
kaya pala. Okay. Thank you.
Yun na pala ang sagot.
Finally, some clarity for us.
Yes.
Me, Angelina Cabiltes, I'm sure you are proud of your son doing well here as a coach in the MPBL. But this is Lawrence Victoria time para dito sa Gabo. Running with Collado. Collado loses the handle. Manzo to Ubalde. 2 points. Paulo Ubalde, we're tied at 42.
Players diving for the basketball. Lots of misses that don't get the lucky bounce. It's just crazy.
Napoles, beautiful left-handed scoop. 2 points.
To this close, a point.
Gabo down low to Napoles. The drop step from Joe Ray. He will get good. Gets into the lane. Labas kay Beichong. Manzo gets it back. It's a 3-pointer. Big shot by June Manzo. The last possession of the third. Gabo against Beichong. A good defense by Beichong, but better offense. Hesed Gabo.
Wala ka na mahingi pa doon kay Alvin.
Oh, he took an extra step. What a shot, Alin Bulanadi. Did he? Javi, looked like
It looked like he...
still has it. And he will slow things down. Ogsang is wide open. Ogsang for 2.
What a heads-up play by Mac Talio. That's his first assist of the game. But
55, the spin move. Gabo, reverse. And that gets the crowd going. Still a 3-point lead here. Gabo, the ball fake, the kick out. Napoles, jumper. Got it! What a shot, Jore Napoles. Boom, boom, natapikan. Collado gets it to Bulanadi. 2 points. It's thought about it. Gets it to Napoles. Confidence from Jore. Doesn't work. Bulanadi with the hustle play. He misses. Collado cleans it up. They're taken away by Napoles. Jore all the way.
ang ating liga, no? Halos lahat dito magkakakilala talaga and they've already played with each other or against each other. That's a big basket for Cebu off the timeout.
Gabo. Collado. Atake ni Jay Collado. What a performance, Jay Collado. This seconds on the shot clock. Bulanadi turns the corner, launches the 3. But look who's there, Jore Napoles. Manzo will fire. Got it. Big possession for Cebu. Manzo, there's some contact there. Hindi natawagan.
It's Hesed Gabo to be controlling the game. It has not been a good night for Mac Talio.
Bulanadi to Galanza. The Heat Waves. You know, Collado, the role player. Napoles, also the role player. And then, you know, Gabo and Bulanadi. You know, taking this one home para dito sa Heat Waves. 15.9 seconds remaining. Ubalde to Tampos. And Boom Boom puts it in. Here goes 2 free throws. Boom Boom. Manzo will fire. And knock down the 3, but that should do it.